Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing your appliances as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into video number 766. How to fix Bosch Dryer Error Code E12 meaning, causes, and solutions for 2025. If you've got a Bosch dryer acting up with this pesky error code, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step so you can get your dryer running smoothly again. First off, what does Error Code E12 even mean? In Bosch dryers, E12 typically signals an issue with the drying process, often related to overheating or a problem with the temperature sensor. This code is the dryer's way of saying, hey, something's not right with how I'm heating up. It's a common error in 2025 models, but don't panic. It's usually fixable at home. Now, let's talk about the possible causes. The most frequent culprits include a clogged lint filter or exhaust vent, which restricts airflow and causes the dryer to overheat. Another cause could be a faulty thermostat or a malfunctioning heating element. Sometimes, it's as simple as a loose wire or an electrical glitch. In newer 2025 models, software updates might also play a role, so checking for firmware issues is key. Alright, time for the good part. Solutions. Start by unplugging your dryer and letting it sit for a few minutes to reset. Once it's off, check and clean the lint filter thoroughly. This is often the quick fix. Next, inspect the exhaust vent for any blockages. Use a vacuum or a brush to clear it out. If that doesn't work, test the thermostat with a multimeter. If it's defective, you'll need to replace it. For 2025 models, download the latest Bosch app update to your dryer's control panel via Wi-Fi, as manufacturers have released patches for these errors. If you're not comfortable with electrical work, always call a professional to avoid any risks. Remember, safety first. Never attempt repairs while the dryer is plugged in. By following these steps, you should resolve Error Code E12 and get back to your laundry routine without a hitch. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more appliance fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.